Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this system of equations. 2 to the power x times 2 to the power y is equal to 32 and x minus y is equal to 1. We have to find the value of x and y. Consider this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now from equation 1, we can write 2 to the power x times this 2 to the power y is equal to right side is 32, or applying exponential formula a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So applying this formula, we can write left side as 2 to the power of this x plus y, x plus y is equal to 32. We can write this as 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power 5 is 32, or the base of both sides is same, which is 2, so this power, this can be written as equal. So x plus y, this will be this 5. Consider it as equation number 3. Now if we add equation 3 and equation 2, we can write from equation 3 x plus y is equal to 5 from equation here, and in this equation x minus y is equal to right side, this is 1. Now adding these two equations, this positive y and this negative y, this will be cancelled and it will be x plus x, this is twice x, this is equal to 5 plus 1, this is 6. So from here 2x is equal to 6. Now divided both side by 2, we will get x is equal to right side 6 divided by 2. So the value of x, it will be 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Now substituting this value of x in equation 3, we can write from equation 3 x plus y is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 3, so we can write this x is equal to 3 plus this y is equal to right side is 5. Now taking this 3 to right side, we will get left side y is equal to this 5 minus this 3, and we will get y is equal to 5 minus 3, this is 2. So we have found x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So the solution of this equation x comma y, we can write this as x is equal to 3 and y, this is equal to 2. So our solution is 3 comma 2, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.